So, everyone says that the new 13-inch MacBook Pro with the M1 chip, that's the move you need to make. But most of us don't have $1,300. But you know what most of us do have? About $500. You know what you can get for $500? The 2015 13-inch MacBook Pro Retina. Let's get into it. Welcome to Device Life. I'm Alex, and I'm here to help you navigate your way through the Apple ecosystem. With everyone losing their minds with the current 13-inch MacBook Pro with the fancy M1 chip. You know what also comes with that M1 chip? A $1,300 price tag, and that's just the entry level. But for $500, you got a pretty good substitute here. Now with that $500, you get yourself a 13-inch Retina screen, a good MacBook that will last you anywhere from 2 to 4 years. Most of them come with an i5 processor, but if you dig deep, you can find some with an i7 processor. They come in 4 gigs of RAM, 8 gigs of RAM, and 16 gigs of RAM. But you want the 8 or the 16. If you're getting the i7 processor, you want the 16 gigs of RAM. If it comes with the 120 gig drive, that's fine. This model is still upgradable. And if you want to watch me upgrade the hard drive on my 2015 13-inch MacBook Pro, watch the next video. Now, who is this laptop for? If you're a beginner and you're getting into photography, DJing, music production, social media influencer, YouTuber, this is a good place to start. Maybe you're a broke college student, or maybe this is your first MacBook Pro. You know who this computer isn't for? Serious professionals. If you are a professional and you use this computer, let me know in the comments below. Now, how this laptop could work for a professional? As a second computer. If you got an iMac, Mac Pro, or even a Mac Mini, this 13-inch 2015 MacBook Pro could work as a good second computer for you. These laptops are everywhere. You can catch them on eBay, OfferUp, and the Facebook Marketplace. These MacBooks are very reliable and have almost every port you'll ever need. Now, what I don't like about it, the bezels across the screen are kind of big and it's a little outdated for 2021. What else? The speakers. They're really bad. Use headphones kind of bad. Now, what should you look for when you buy one? Make sure it's in good physical condition. Make sure the screen is not damaged. And again, get the 8 gig version at a minimum. And last, don't worry about hard drive size. Any decent technician can upgrade the hard drive. Or you can use an external drive, or you can put your documents in the cloud. You could probably find this laptop from a reseller, but instead of it being $500, expect it to be closer to $700. Make sure you're getting a warranty with that extra $200. To sum it up, the 13-inch 2015 MacBook Pro Retina is a good buy, as long as you stay away from the 4 gig version. And if you want more content like this, please hit the like button. Now watch this next video if you want to see how I upgraded this laptop's hard drive. Thank you for watching. I'm Alex, and this is Device Life. B-roll. B-roll.